Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and handwritten recipes are just such a special thing to have. This is a build your own cookbook from Kunitsa Co., and it is just so unique. Not only does it have space to write over 100 recipes, but it asks some really cool things. It has an About the Chef section, an index for easy navigation, sentimental prompts, and you could make this into the most amazing family keepsake. I also love that it has this spill proof cover because getting in the kitchen can be messy, but having this last and stand the test of time is so incredible. I love being able to write all of my own favorite recipes and have them stored safely in this beautiful little book. Whether you're going to write down your own recipes to keep for years to come in your own kitchen or share this with someone special, I love this recipe book and I think it is so perfect. And that's my point of view.